What to you are the most important principles in validation?
That human beings at the end of life struggle to express emotions that they have never expressed before. And this is a way that they can heal themselves before they die.
There's always a reason behind the behavior. When we look at disoriented people who have some form of dementia, and very often we think, oh, that's just the illness. But really it's not. There's something very important going on.
And it is the struggle to express emotions that they have never expressed. And they need someone to listen with empathy. Because if nobody listens, they start to retreat inward more and more. And then finally, they become living dead people, like zombies in a nursing home. And that's cruel. So that the validating caregiver needs to have empathy. I would say that's the most important trait that a worker can have, is empathy with these old people and empathetic listening to them so that they know they're not alone in this last struggle and they feel so much better.
A lot of people, caregivers, are afraid when older adults express a lot of emotion because they're concerned that the older person can't handle it. What would you say to that?
That the older person can't handle not expressing emotions. If these emotions aren't expressed, the old or listened to with empathy, the older person loses their control and yells or cries or paces and then gets restrained. But if somebody listens genuinely, the old person feels a lot of relief.
It's just like us, people who are not disoriented, but when we have a painful emotion, our desire is to express it to somebody who listens, and then we feel better. Oh, it's off my chest.
That's right. So it's really no different, except that each person is unique and there's always a different reason behind the behavior. Sometimes it's anger at the mother or love for the husband.
Those are deep feelings.
Very deep feelings.
Yeah. Sometimes it's needs, I think, like needs.
Need.
Basic human needs, the need to be useful.
That's right. Well, the need to be loved and the to express emotions and have someone listen with empathy. And that's a basic human need.
Right.
It's not expressed to anybody. The person stops expressing it and retreats inward more and more until they become a living dead person.